Mrs. Eleanor Roosevelt attends the launching of the new aircraft carrier Franklin D. Roosevelt. Bernard Baruch, presidential advisor. Fleet Admiral King and Army Chief of Staff Marshall. In ceremonies at Brooklyn Navy Yard, Mrs. Roosevelt speaks of the ship named after the late president.
I'm very glad to be here today. I know that my husband would have felt very keenly and appreciated the honor of having this supercarrier given his name.
The wife of Admiral Towers, Deputy Pacific Commander, names the carrier. Water pours into the dry dock, filling it until the ship is floated. The mighty new USS Roosevelt joins the fleet to hurl her fighting strength against Japan.
In 1952, military personnel stood together on the deck of a Navy flagship, the USS FDR, and watched as a disc-shaped UFO hovered above them. 3 photographs were taken, and this sighting was just the first of many reported aboard the ship. Despite vehement denials from the Navy, many people who served on the USS FDR believe that she was a UFO magnet.